How to pray the Eid prayer step by step. So friends, before you begin the prayer, when you first get up in the morning, make your ghusl, the ritual ablution. Then it is a sunnah to eat something because the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ate dates before going out to prayer. Before I continue the video, please share this video with everyone so that if someone don't know how to pray Eid al-Fitr, so by your share, they will know how to pray and you will get a lot of rewards so shared. So after eating something, wear the best clothes you have. Muslims are encouraged to clean themselves, dress in their best clothes and smell good for a day of celebration. And then say the general Takbirat on the way to Eid prayer. And then when you arrived at the prayer place, when you're ready to pray, make the intention to perform Eid prayer. Give the opening Takbir, Allahu Akbar, with the Imam. Say the opening supplication quietly to yourself. Give 3 or 7 Akbir with the Imam, raising your hands out for each. Listen to the Imam recite Surah Al-Fatiha and an additional surah. Say Allahu Akbar while moving into ruku, bowing with the Imam, and continue the prayer cycle as normal. In the second rak'ah, listen to the Imam recite Surah Al-Fatiha and an additional surah. Give 3 or more additional takbir with the Imam. After the third and final takbir, place your hands to your sides before doing the ruku again. Say Allahu Akbar while moving into the bowing position with the Imam and complete the prayer cycle as normal. That's all about the Eid al-Fitr prayer. Now friends, today is the last day of Ramadan, so share this video so that a lot of people can see this video because you shared. And because of Ramadan, you will get a lot of rewards, multiply by 10, so earn as much as possible rewards by sharing this video. I pray that Allah bless us all on this Eid al-Fitr and forgive us all our sins and forgive us before the end of Ramadan. Say Amin in comments.